Hello guys, welcome to my video of Donruss 2017-18 multi-pack opening. This time I will be opening 6 multi-packs. They have inside of them they have 3 regular packs and 1 blue velocity pack. So 6 multi-packs altogether. It's half of the box, and obviously I'm chasing for the Tatum blue velocity. Still didn't manage to get any other decent cards. Actually it was Bam Adebayo blue velocity. If you check out my channel you can find that pack opening video. So this time I'm still expecting to get Tatum. So yeah, so I'll be opening those packs quite quickly. So it's free, the blue velocity pack. Okay, free base, blue velocity. If you have any comments or suggestions, always feel free to leave them below the video. I'm always happy to read the comments, and if you really like my videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Cool. Oh my god, the way it's been factory glued to the top. Okay. Multi-packs left to be opened. So I find overall in general those multi-packs, they produce better pulls, more decent cards rather than mega boxes. I'm a bit disappointed with blasters. I had a couple blasters, but it's they've been not that great player wise, and the cards as well. Okay, so let's start. Don't wait anymore, and hopefully we will get Tatum, maybe some auto cards, because I believe it's like if we don't find in this lot of 6 multi-packs no auto card, I think it drops pretty much 1 auto card per box, per multi-pack box. So, but still, everything is possible. If we find, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy if we can find, especially Tatum. That would be amazing. Still, I would be very happy if we can get blue velocity Tatum. So that's it. The packs have been cut open, and let's slide out the cards and see what we will manage to find. The first pack, ladies and gentlemen, and it's okay. Rookie Milista Dosage, Eric Bledsoe, Domantas Sabonis, and blue rated rookie, Ante Zizic. Okay, not what I would expect. Purple parallel, but still nice. Okay, so couple base, 1 blue parallel, and 1 rookie. Okay, Willie Hernan Gomez, Court Kings, Gary Harris, Serge Ibaka, and rookie is Harry Giles. Okay, the next pack, Tobias Harris, Hawkins, Allen Iverson, Gigi Redick, and the rookie is Tyler Dorsey, the Hawks. Okay, next one is Harrison Barnes. Rookie Kings, Zach Collins. Devin Booker. And Ivan Ram, rated rookie. Okay. Proceed to another one. To Joker. We have rated rookie purple parallel. To Luke Kennard. Ricky Rubio. And rated rookie is Ante Zizic. 2. It's the second time I think was Malik Monk managed to get from those multi-packs. 2 in a row. 2 purple parallels. Okay, let's go to the next one. DeMar Carroll, Pete the Pistol, Zach Randolph, and rookie is Jared Allen. Nice. Okay, Patrick Beverly, Dwight Howard, Kawhi Leonard, and OG Anunoby. Okay, so if you can see the hints of a dreadlock, so it's either OG Anunoby or DG Wilson. Okay, Stanley Johnson, Reggie Jackson, Alec Burks, and rookie is Markelly Fultz. Cool, so it's pretty much 1 rookie per pack. Okay, next pack, Taurean Prince, Rookie Kings for the Lakers, Lonzo. Cool. Alfred Payton and Gershon Yabusele. Okay, next one up is DeAndre, Zach Levine, Willie Cauley-Stein, and Zach Collins to Portland. So nothing impressive, but okay, we have a signature card. So the rookie is Frank Mason, Steven Adams, Jaylen Brown, and okay, black, so most likely Portland. It's the 200 points. It's the Panini Rewards. So cool. 250 points. I don't know what does that do, but it's a nice card. What can I say? Okay, the next pack. Draymond Green, Court Kings, Miles Turner, Martin Gortat, and the rookie is Donovan Mitchell. Cool, nice. First decent rookie. Obviously, Lonzo, Markelly Fultz, but Donovan Mitchell is on top of both of those. Okay, Seth Curry, Court Kings, Buddy Hield, then Sanity. The rookie is Malik Monk. Okay, cool. Next, Hollow. We have Hollow. So for the Boston, Chandler Parsons and Kyrie. Kyrie, cool. Kyrie Hollow. Nice. And the rookie is Josh Hart and Paul George. Okay, next pack. MKG. Will Chamberlain. Otto Porter, and the rookie is Dennis Smith Jr. Okay, 3 packs to go. Only 3 packs left. So Drew Holiday, Rookie Kings for the Heat is bam. Bam, bam, bam. So guys, if you know what to do with those Panini Reward points, leave a comment below the video. And I'm definitely looking forward to hear what's all this about. Okay, so it's Evan Turner, and the rookie is Wes Iwundu. Okay guys, 2 packs left. 2 packs left. Gary Harris, Court Kings, Dirk Nowitzki, Ricky Rubio, and the rookie is Luke Kennard for the Pistons. Okay, last pack, Jason Tatum, Dion Waite on purple parallel, Lord Alert. It's for the Bulls. Chris Dunn. Yeah. Okay. not numbered, Aaron Gordon, and rookie is Sterling Brown. So that's pretty much it, and it's the blue velocity packs left. So let's start the first pack. Wesley Matthews, and we have rated rookie, Pau Gasol. The rookie is Boone Evans. Okay. Next. Next pack up, Jeff Teague, Draymond Green, and the rookie is Ante Zizic. Okay, at least we are getting some rookies. Not the ones I would like to get, but still, rookies are rookies. CP3, Goran Dragic, and Nikola Vucevic. Okay, 3 packs left. Still open for the Jason Tatum. KT, LaMarcus Aldridge, and the rookie is Damian Dotson. Okay, 2 packs left, guys. Fingers crossed. We will get one John Rondo, George Hill, and TG Leaf. It's hitting me hard, but still. Okay, last pack has a rookie, definitely. Okay, so Hassan Whiteside, the Joker, and Lauri Markkanen. At least something very nice. Cool. Lauri Markkanen. Last card, last pack. I'm impressed. Obviously, would be more impressed with Jason Tatum, but still cool. So, don't forget, guys, to leave comments what that could mean, what the purpose of those Panini Reward Points, and yeah, don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, because I think there's quite some decent polls in this video. And if you like this video, check out my other videos, and see you in the next pack opening.